Curing sinus congestion and excess mucus through saline solutions is a natural and effective remedy that has been practiced for centuries. The use of salt, particularly in the form of saline nasal sprays or saline rinses, provides a simple yet powerful way to alleviate sinus-related discomfort. Salt, known for its antimicrobial properties, helps cleanse the nasal passages by reducing inflammation and promoting the thinning of mucus. Saline solutions mimic the body's natural fluids, creating an environment that is inhospitable to bacteria and viruses. This makes saline nasal sprays an excellent choice for preventing and treating sinus infections. One of the primary benefits of using salt for sinus relief is its ability to break down mucus. When the nasal passages are congested, mucus can become thick and sticky, leading to further discomfort. Salt helps to liquefy the mucus, making it easier to expel through natural processes like blowing the nose. This not only provides immediate relief but also supports the body's natural mechanisms for clearing the respiratory system. Saline solutions can be easily prepared at home using common ingredients like salt and water. A typical recipe involves dissolving a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm distilled water. This homemade saline solution can be used for nasal irrigation or as a nasal spray. Nasal irrigation involves gently flushing the nasal passages with the saline solution, helping to remove irritants and excess mucus. In addition to their efficacy, saline solutions are well tolerated with minimal side effects, making them suitable for individuals of all ages, including children. Regular use of saline nasal sprays or rinses can be particularly beneficial for those prone to sinus issues or allergies. It's important to note that while saline solutions can provide relief, they may not be a cure for underlying sinus conditions. If symptoms persist or worsen, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation and appropriate treatment. In conclusion, using salt for sinus and mucus relief is a time-tested and natural approach. Saline solutions help to cleanse the nasal passages, reduce inflammation, and thin out mucus, providing effective relief from sinus congestion. Incorporating this simple remedy into your daily routine can